Now, what I did, I penciled in all of the marks that you wanted in first, but I said, no, that's being dishonest. People in the neighborhood would question that.
You think that your wife occupies that position? I would suggest you put your wife's name there.
Yes, but that's so... Are you sure?
I'm positive. No one will know about that. We won't know you're Madam Tomcat.
I know, but there are people in my neighborhood. I have...
They will never see that form.
Are you sure?
No one in your neighborhood will ever find out.
Because I don't want people to know. Quite frankly, I've been doing this for years. And I wear a house dress. I mean, it's so much easier to dust in a house dress. And, slippers. And, quite frankly, I've adopted most
Talk
of
about pollution.
the average housewife. And I'd hate for anybody to know that. I really do. And so that's very embarrassing to me. Which Johnny, on bicycle talk, you play meat?
Yes, meat. You want beef and pork?
That's sick, man.
M-E-A-T,
That's sick.
meat?
Yes. May sound a little strange, but
I don't mean to hurt your feelings. I've never heard of anybody who plays meat.
Well, a lot of people think it's strange. But,
yes, I can understand that. No offense. I'm serious about that.
I found in the old storage locker that
Yes, sir. Whatever you want, I got it. What do you want?
Fella with Ethel.
If Ethel don't mind. Want me to check under the hood for you?
Please, yes.
Looks like you could use a new radiator hose.
I'll get one later, thanks.
You're the boss.
Not in my house, I'm not. Attendant,
Yes, sir?
you got change for the telephone?
Yes, sir. I'll get you the rest later. Be with you in a minute.
Honey, I just wanted to apologize.
You don't have to apologize.
I'm sorry about last night.
Oh, I really don't even want to talk about it.
Don't you think maybe we ought to?
No, because if we talk about it, we'll just get into a fight, and you wouldn't want that, would you? Of course not.
No, I know what it's supposed to mean. It means that you think that I should go out and call Steve Henderson up and challenge him to a fist fight or something.
No, of course not, but
Oh, come on, honey.
just forget it. You gonna be home by 6:30?
If Forbes lets me go in time.
You said there would be no problem about getting home on time.
Honey, I said there probably won't be a problem.
Well, just be on time, okay?
Okay, I'll be there.
Here's your card, sir. With you in a second. Good enough. Come back now.
Will do.